In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add these beautiful font awesome icons to our Flutter application. Ready? Let's go. First thing first, we need to install Font Awesome Flutter package in our Flutter project. For that purpose, let's go to Installing tab. Let's copy the package name and the version. Go to Visual Studio Code, open a pubspec.yaml file, and let's paste that under Dependencies section. Like this. Hit save. And now let's see how to use it. The goal is to display 4 social icons: GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube below the job title over here. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. And now to use the Font Awesome icon in our Flutter application, we'll be using one widget called pa icon. And currently we are getting an error. It's because the import is missing. So let's import the package. And the first parameter that we need to specify for this widget is the icon that we need to use. So let's specify that icon. And once we hit dot, we get the list of all the available Font Awesome icons that we can use in our Flutter application. And in our case, we need GitHub icon. So let's add that, hit save. And as you can see, the GitHub icon is getting displayed in our Flutter application. We can also specify the size and color for this icon. So let's specify the size and color like this. Hit save. And as you can see, the changes are getting reflected in our Flutter application. For this demo, we'll just play with the size. Let's remove the color. And now let's replicate this for other icons. And as we can see, our icons are getting displayed in our Flutter application. And here we have used the Font Awesome Flutter package to display these icons. It's because the Flutter built-in icon set didn't have these icons like GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. At the time of recording of this video, the latest version of Font Awesome Flutter package is 10.8.0, which supports the Font Awesome version 6.6.0. By default, this package supports the free icons offered by Font Awesome. And to see the list of all the icons, you can go to fontawesome.com/icons, click on this icon option and select the free version. And over here, by default, the filter is set to the latest version 6.7.2 at the time of recording of this video, but you will find most of the icons supported by the version 6.6.0. And that's it. With just few simple steps, we have integrated Font Awesome icons in our Flutter application. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more awesome Flutter content. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!